Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I own and operate a small little cafe, and the newest member that we have is the MAttinata espresso machine, and I already love it so much. This machine is so state-of-the-art. I am certain it can do anything. The quality of every piece of this machine is exceptional, and honestly, so easy to use. That crema on top of an espresso alone is just so rich. The grinds go in, the parts are amazing. Where the grinds go is spring-loaded so it doesn't fall out easy. The milk reservoir clicks in so simple and locks right into place with a button. I love that it works so good even with a lactose-free or nut milk. With just the touch of a button, you can have an espresso, a double espresso, a cappuccino, a double cappuccino, a latte, a double latte, like anything is going to be so simple for you to make at the touch of a button. You are going to be your own new favorite barista. Love watching the pressure gauge build because you know you're getting supreme quality from this machine. One of my favorite parts is that it comes with all of the tools you need, the practical tools, and that tamper is weighty, so it is realistically doing the job for you. I love when something comes all-inclusive like that, and let's not forget the most practical instruction manual ever. You're going to be ready for a treat daily. Clearly, it does it all, and I know that you're going to love it just as much as me, and that's my point of view.